Wow, that's funny. What's he doing? Oh, did you hear that?
Yes.
That sounds like my friend Mr. Snuffleupagus still has the hiccups. Oh, poor Snuffy. Gee, I wonder... Oh, Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, dear.
Oh, boy, you got it bad,
Oh,
huh?
Bird.
Wow. Gosh,
Oh, what am I going to do, Bird?
they don't go away, do they? Wait a minute.
Dear.
I have an idea that works sometimes.
Yes, Bird.
Yeah, you hold your breath, and I'll count up to 10. Crystal, you help count? Okay.
Okay, Bird.
Come here, hon. Okay, hold your breath. We're going to start to count. 1.
Stop! What are you doing?
Oh, well, Mr. Snuffleupagus has the hiccups, and I'm counting up to 10. 1.
Oh, wait! I, the Count, will count for you.
Well, hurry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
No,
12,
that's enough. Count. That's enough.
13,
Count.
14,
Wait, count. You don't have to...
15,
That's enough, Count.
16, 17,
But count.
18, 19, 20,
Count.
20.
You don't have to count any higher. That's enough.
I can't stop. I am the Count. I love to count.
I'm sorry I couldn't hold my breath any longer. And oh, dear.
Oh,
I
dear.
still have my hiccups.
Then we will try it again. Take another deep breath. Hold it while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, dear.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,